Hello friends, Samsung 7 kg front load washing machine cleaning. 10 steps. Easy way to clean the washing machine. No chemicals required. You can do it at your home. Step 1. Switch off the power supply and remove the plug. Step 2. Close the water tap. Step 3. Remove the filter from the tap adapter. Step 3. Clean the tap adapter fittings and filter with normal liquid water with the help of soft toothbrush. After cleaning the filter, try the filter and refix the filter to the tap adapter. Do not over tight the tap adapter while fixing the filter. Step 4. Loose and disconnect the water hose from the back of the washing machine and cover the hose with a cloth to prevent water from gushing out. Use plier or a flat screwdriver to pull out the mesh filter from the inlet valve. Clean the mesh filter with a soft toothbrush along with the flowing water. Clean the inlet valve with a wet cloth. Reinsert the mesh filter into the inlet valve and reconnect the water hose to the inlet valve. Step 5. Remove the detergent drawer. While holding down the release lever on the inner of the drawer, slide and open the drawer. Clean the drawer compartments in the flowing water using a liquid soap with the help of a soft toothbrush. Clean the drawer recess using a wet cloth. Slide the drawer inward to close it. Step 6. Door gasket. Take a wet cloth, clean the gasket full round with the help of soft toothbrush and clean softly. Add no chemicals to the gasket. Wipe it with wet cloth or a soft toothbrush to clean the surface of the gasket. Step 7. Emergency drain. Gently press the top area of the fillet cover to open. Open the tube cap and let the water in the emergency drain tube flow into the container. When done, close the tube cap and reinsert the tube. Pump filter. To open the safety knob of the pump filter, push in and turn it anti-clockwise. In the pump filter, coins, shirt buttons, etc. is clogged. A clogged pump filter may reduce the bubble effect. Clean with a soft toothbrush and a wet cloth. Clean the pump filter using liquid soap and a soft toothbrush. Make sure the drain pump propeller inside the filter is unclogged. Reinsert the pump filter and turn it clockwise. Step 8. Leveling feet. Check the level of the washing machine is proper. Otherwise, washing machine will vibrate and may cause the washing machine to move slightly during the spin cycle. Step 9. EcoDrum Clean. Press power to turn on the washing machine. Turn the cycle selector to select EcoDrum Clean. Press Start. For EcoDrum Clean, the washing machine takes time 1 hour 59 minutes. Do not use any cleaning agents for cleaning the drum. The water temperature for EcoDrum Clean is set to 60 degrees Celsius, which cannot be changed. It is fixed by company. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Let's travel and explore 27. Once every 40 wash, it is advisable to perform the EcoDrum Clean regularly. Switch off the power supply, remove the 3-pin top and close the water tap. Step 10. Open the door and clean with dry cloth inside the gasket and glass cover. Keep open the door for 3 hours inside the moisture will be dry.